I'm going to place the treat under one of these bamboo cups. Larry's job is to squeeze it out, and he will going to tell us that he found the treat by flipping the bamboo cup over using his phone. Okay, let's try it. First cup, second cup, and third cup. Alright, let's wait for Larry. Game again si Larry. Larry, come up your trainer. Okay, I will put the treat under the second cup. Larry, whenever you are ready, go find the treat. Snipping, snipping, and you got it. Great job! Wow! Napakahusay naman ni Larry. Now let's make it more difficult. But this time, you decide where do you want to place the treat? First cup or third cup? Okay, under the third cup. Okay, Larry, again, whenever you are ready, go find the treat for us. Larry. Snipping, snipping, snipping again, and snipping again. Go down a big round of applause for Larry, our Bob David. Great job, Larry. There you go. Thank you so much, Trainer Kate. Okay. See the pretty tail? It helps balance on the bike. It is for hand sales that we can hang from it. Just like that. Yes. Pictorials have a lot to say. They chuckle when they are happy. They have a high-pitched wail when they are annoyed. They howl, run, and hit. They also use that buttered popcorn smell to mark their territory. And they have unusual high feet that they can rotate them backwards and walk down the tree head first. And you now will show us how. Just like that. Ayan, galing ba? And lastly, Victorums can only be found in the beautiful island of start with the letter P. Pampanga.
Palawan.
Palawan, yes. That's why you refer to Palawan Burger. Folks, have a big round of applause for Yula, our Ventura friend. Good job, Yula. Thank you so much, Trader Lang. Say goodbye. Bye, Yula. Okay, this world is truly wild and crazy. Imagine, spending half of your life looking at the world upside down. They're back. Well, I say giant because he is one of the largest bats in the world. When they are full grown, they have a wingspan of 5 feet long. Show them, Bamboo. Ooh, and Bamboo has 5 toes on his foot, 4 fingers on his delicate and stretchy wing. His thumbs stick out so he can move along the branches. So everybody's wondering, why do bats hang upside down? Bakit ko kaya na nakabaliktad? Any idea? Para magpa-up? Okay, well, here's a couple of reasons. But first, I want you to try this. Come on, everybody. Close your hands like this. Real tight. Naikit na maikit po. See how much energy it takes to do that? Now, I want you to relax. Relax po natin. What happened? It opens, right? Well, the bat claws works the opposite. When they are relaxed, their claws are closed. So when they are hung on the branch, they are more comfortable. The other reason is their legs are so small and thin that they are not designed to walk and take off from the ground like a bird. So what they must do is to climb to a higher place, just like that. And when they are high enough, they actually fall into class. One more round, Babu. There you go, and that's how about time. So that's a big round of applause for Babu, our giant for that. Thank you so much, Trainer Nico. Do you want to see? We believe it's advocates breeding chamber to make their voices louder. Hornbills are quite chatty. Their calls range from a deep booming sound to brave like a donkey, toots, bellows, and cackles. And I know it's hard to see, but hornbills have eyelashes. Pakita mo ang energy. Ayan, nagiging mata po sila. Pakita mo, other side. To make them cute and sexy. Noy-noy is a combination of fruits, insects, and other smaller animals. And its beak is quite handy that we can pluck food from trees, just like our fingers. And Noy-noy will show us how. Okay, we have here banana, what's this? Melon and grapes. Trainer Jake, ano bang favorite ni Noy-noy? Banana. Okay, Noy, choose your favorite. Ayan. Grapes. Ano nangyari? Okay, binago na daw pala. And speaking of the big and catch meal in here. Now, ready? Good job. Okay, one more. Magpalayo. Ready, Noy? There we go. Go down the big round of applause for Noy-noy, our Rufus Hornbill. Thank you so much, Trainer Jake. Yan. Can you see his tongue? He keeps sticking his tongue out because it's many the air with it. Try that sometime. Ang hirap, di ba? And Ginger has no ID. So his eyes are always open, even when they are sleeping. Good! It is protected by transparent scales called spectacles. And see the beautiful pattern on his skin? It blends in perfectly with his environment. Just like our tree branch right here. Ayan. So many people think that snakes are slippery and slimy. Are they? Slippery and slimy po ba sila? Opo? Ano pa? O meron yes, meron no. O who says slippery and slimy? Taas ang kamay. 55. O, magaling kami yan. How about smooth and dry? Ilan? 67. And how about I don't know? Oh, meron pa rin. Sige, ganito na lang. Why don't we choose a brave volunteer from the audience to find out? Baka matulungan tayo. Meron ba? Ayan, diba? Okay, tinutry na.
Mag-volunteer ka? Volunteer ka?
Matapang ko si Ma. Hi, Ma. What is your name? Diana. Okay, Ma'am Diana. May tanong ako sa'yo. Are you afraid of snakes? Yes, sobra na po. Sige, we will have to get over that fear. Sino po kasama natin, Ma'am Diana? Okay, kayo muna. Hi, sir. Any last word kay Ma'am Diana? Kayo na lang. Okay, Ma'am Diana. We will play a little game. All you have to do is follow my instruction. Napakadali na naman ito. Okay, dito ba tayo, Ma'am Diana? So first, I want you to touch Ginger's tail. All you have to do is hold mo lang yung ganyan. Then slide mo na 3 times. Okay, it's your turn. Hold it. Diba? Ayan, diba? Unti-unti na nawawala yung takot ni Ma'am Christine. Diba? Okay, then next, doon tayo Ma'am Diana. Now I want you to feel down his body. From here, dito po ba, Ma? Down to the tail. Ayan. Uy, ano ba yan? Finger po. Ha? Okay, tinuro lang pala. Nakakagulat ka eh. Diba? O, diba? Nawawala na yung takot ni Ma'am Diana. Medyo lang ininig lang ng kote. Okay, then that, I want you to touch Ginger's head. Ha? Hindi pa kumain si Ginger. For how long? 3 weeks. Nako po. Ha? Ilan? 6 months and 3 weeks na. Nako ma'am. Ano ba yan? Gutom na pala si Ginger. No problem ma'am. Trainer Paul will show us first. All you have to do is raise your hand just like that. Then in the count of 3, touch Ginger's head. Yan. Gano'n na kadali ma'am. No problem ma'am. Napakabait na yung Ginger. Lapit po tayo ma'am, closer. Trainer po, pakialala natin si Ma'am Diana. Alright po, sabay-sabay tayo, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Ano ba yan? Ha? Lalaglag sa second floor. Ano pa naman yung sakit na to? Yung sakit po ng sinigang. Nahulog. So talaga, trailer trick ko. Wala tayong bumawa, wala nang gulo tayo. Yan. Okay, Ma'am Diana, dito na po tayo. Ngayon, Ma'am Diana, may tanong ako sa'yo. Ikaw makakasagot nito. Since you've done a figure, are they slippery and slimy or smooth and dry? Ano po, ma'am? Slippery and slimy or smooth and dry? O, ito po siya, ma'am. Slippery and slimy? Ma'am? Ma'am, slippery and slimy? Sige, tutulungan ka lang na. Snakes are slippery and slimy. At dahil dyan, you have a free photo with figure. Look at the camera. Kunyari lang kaya po tayo. Ayan. Go down a big round of applause. For our delegate. Thank you so much, ma'am. Ituloy mo ngayon sa aking trainer and people. You may now take your seat and enjoy the rest of our show.